Welcome to this week's CaneClips. Today I'll be talking about the major losses within the harvesting sector. The Australian sugar industry has constantly sought to improve the efficiency of harvesting since the introduction of mechanisation. A major challenge for the industry is the balance between minimising sugar losses and maintaining cane quality. The adoption of green cane harvesting brought advantages of weed control without constant cultivation and improved moisture retention. However, created challenges for finding a balance between effective cane cleaning to minimise extraneous matter levels without excessive cane loss. Cleaning losses range from 5 to 25% depending on fan speed and pour rate, but can be difficult to measure. Harvester trials in the past have identified a number of basic harvester performance principles. Field conditions and pour rate dictate EM levels, but not fan speed. Fan speed determines cane loss levels with limited impact on EM. One of the key learnings from green cane harvesting trials is that the main driver of cane quality is the field conditions faced by the harvester. The percentage of trash in the cane supply is determined by crop presentation factors such as lodging, wet, dry conditions, trashiness of the variety, row spacing and profile. Free trashing varieties such as Q208 are much easier to clean than more tight-leafed varieties. Lodged or sprawled cane is more difficult to gather into the harvester, which reduces the efficiency of the cleaning system. Damp condition causes the trash to clump together, making it harder to extract. This figure shows the percentage of EM in cane supply when harvesting the same variety under different field conditions. There is a significant increase in EM percentage when harvesting a lodged crop in wet conditions. Greater than 14% EM compared to harvesting erect dry cane, such as 2% EM. Increasing extractor fan speed has limited impact on trash levels as the harvester cleaning systems operate in a constant state of overload due to high machine pour rates. One of the biggest problems for Australia's sugar industry is the high levels of EM entering factories. High EM levels reduce bin weights, which increases transport costs. Can reduce mill crushing rates due to high fibre levels, reduce CCS and extraction efficiency, and have a negative effect on sugar quality. High EM levels are predominantly caused by high harvester pour rates. In order to meet grower pressure to minimise harvesting costs, harvesting businesses have increased in size with many machine cutting greater than 100,000 tonnes each season. To achieve this, typical elevator pour rates have increased from around 80 tonnes per hour in 1997 to in excess of 150 tonnes per hour in 2014. This figure shows how increasing pour rates affect EM levels in the cane supply. With EM levels at most green cane mills currently between 10 and 15%, there is a need to rethink how the system can be better managed. There are many sources of cane loss during harvesting, including pickup losses, base cutter losses and chopper losses. But cleaning system losses have the biggest financial impact on the industry, costing millions in lost revenue each year. Harvester operators are facing pressure to reduce EM levels and improve declining bin weights. In an attempt to better clean the cane supply while maintaining high pour rates, operators tend to increase primary extractor fan speed. This figure shows cane loss from a standard John Deere extractor chamber. Cane loss rises rapidly as extractor fan speed increase above 800 RPM. This is in contrast with older models. Their losses start to increase rapidly above 1000 RPM. The Anti-vortex extractor design is standard in the current model Case IH harvester, but retrofittable kits are available to suit earlier machines. As with the John Deere system, losses increase exponentially above 800 RPM. With losses of up to $1,500 per hectare being measured in SRA field trials over recent years, it's important that operators are aware of the impact fan speed has on cane loss. In 2010, the SRA engineering division developed a new system to measure harvesting losses. It was realised that measuring the sugar content of the entire trash blanket, the infield residual, would provide a more accurate measure of sugar loss than attempting to find cane fragments that had passed through the cleaning system. The aim of the work was to develop a mobile sugar loss measurement system that could provide rapid and accurate feedback to operators. The methodology evolved from a lab-based system into a mobile system, which has now been proven in field trials over several harvest seasons. The new approach measures the total tonnes per hectare of trash blanket extracted by the harvester and determines the total sugar content of this field residual. The total tonnes sugar per hectare can then be calculated to give a measure of the cost of harvesting losses, dollars per hectare. By calculating, processing and analysing samples at different fan speeds, the economic impact of extractor settings on yield and net returns can be accurately measured. This information is provided to operators within a few hours. For more information on the in-field sucrose loss measurement system, or cane loss in general, please refer to the revised version of the Harvesting Best Practice Manual.